The average rate of change of a function plays an important role in calculus. It provides information about how a change in the independent variable x of a function y equals f of x causes a change in the dependent variable y. We use a symbol delta of x to represent the change in x and the symbol delta y to represent the change in y. And the formula for the average rate of change of the function f from a to b is defined as f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So when we ask for the average rate of change, we will need to use this formula to do the calculation. So let's take a look at example number 3. To find the average rate of change, we use the formula. We identify A to be 1 and B to be 3. So f of B is just f of 3 minus f of A is just f of 1 over B minus A. And that is the average rate of change, so we denote it by delta y over delta of x. So that will equal, now we evaluate f of 3. So that is 3 times x is 3 squared minus f of 1 is 3 times 1 squared all over 3 minus 1, which is just 2. So it's just 27 subtract 3 divided by 2, and that is 12. So the average rate of change for the function 3x squared from 1 to 3 is 12.